naughty engine. I hope I can trust you to behave next time you leave Crescent.
Is this a good idea? Engines that sit around and do nothing don't make money.
Tannen will go to Altoona to get repaired. Then he will be a yard switcher for the rest of the week. I have just about had it with this stupid Trash 9.
So have I. He has treated us like it's worse than Hitler.
Kiera, do you always have to insult Norfolk Southern?
Keep up with what's going on, and you'll understand Haley.
That sorry excuse of a Trash 9 got in trouble big time. Serves him right.
Quiet. I know he's disgraceful, but don't insult him. It will only make things worse. That's right. I used to be friends with Tannen until he started stealing Amtrak coaches.
I agree with you all. I also hate Tannen, but leave him alone. Besides, railroads have been using mainline locomotives as yard switchers for decades. It's ineffective, but they use what's available.